Okay, so what I have is in this example, the total cost of renting this car is going to be some variable cost plus a fixed cost that I'm going to charge you. So according to this example, no matter however much you drive, I am going to charge you $99 for 1 week, and that is identified as my fixed cost. And then for every kilometer that you drive over 100 kilometers, I'm going to charge you an additional $0.11 on top of that. And that is where your variable cost. This cost may change, depends on however much you drive. So let's put this thing in here now. So remember, my 0.11 is what I talk about the rate of change. It is however much you drive over 100, I'm going to charge you at a rate of 11 cents per kilometer over 100. How do I express it like that? So it's every 11 cents times by however many kilometers you drive over 100. And the second part is the fixed cost we talked about earlier is $99 over that. So I'm going to demonstrate. So what happens if x in this case may be 101? So we substitute it back in. X is 101, take away 100 plus 99. That's my fixed cost. So that means I'm going to charge 1 kilometer at 11 cents per kilometer plus another $99. So your cost, if you drive 101 kilometers, it will be charged at $99 plus another 11 cents. So this is saying that if we have given you a specific kilometers that you've driven, so what we have here is you can use that. This is a general equation of what you have. The cost equals to 0.11 x take away 100 plus 99. This is just a general equation on what we have originally. So what you need to do next is, in order to do that, you need to expand your equation. So expanding your equation, that means multiply the outside with each of the terms inside. So in this case, you will have 0.11 times by x, then take away 0.11 times by 100 plus 99. So I have 0.11 times x is 0.11x. Take away 0.11 times 100 would be 11 plus 99. Of course, what we can look at is now I can simplify the equation. This thing I can simplify. So then let's have a look back is equals to 0.11x minus 11 plus 99 is plus 88.